How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete one photo from multiple photos or from a carousel post on your Instagram account, it is very simple to do that, because all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface as you can find it. And once you see this sort of interface, what you want to do is just tap the profile option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then over here you can see, let's say, a carousel post over here, and then here you can see 3 photos. Let's say I want to delete one of the photos from here. It is very simple to do that, because all you have to do is just tap the 3 dots option here, and then you'll find this option known as edit, as you'll be able to find it. Just tap on it. Once you tap on the edit option, over here you'll find this option, and if you want to delete a specific photo, at the top left you'll find a little trash icon. Right next to each photo you'll find a little trash icon. If you're on the edit page, you can just tap on this trash option. It will ask you to confirm it, so tap on the delete button. Once you tap on the delete button and then just tap the check option from the top right, that media is going to get successfully deleted. And this way you can go ahead and delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.